Hello, welcome to my tutorials. My tutorials is about digital literacy for everyday life. After that, there is a course objective. The course objective is to equip learners with essential digital literacy skills that empower them to navigate, communicate, and create confident use in a digital world. After that, there is target audience. The target audience is from beginners to intermediate learners with adaptable pathways based on initial skills levels. After target audience, there is course structures and outlines. Orientation, which is based on orientation and skills assessments. The purpose is to measure or assess learners' existing digital literacy skills, to recommend and appropriate learning pathways. Activity performed. There is self-assessment quizzes on digital skills which is based on adaptive questions. Also, there is interest surveys which is based on selecting key areas of digital literacy. Also, there is personal goal setting. After that, there is learning pathways. Here, learners are directed into 3 levels based on the pre-assessment: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So, by starting with the content of navigating the digital world, learning outcomes, understanding internet basics, safe browsing, and online privacy. Understanding internet basics, safe browsing, and online privacy. So another is knowing how to evaluate credible online sources. Know how to evaluate credible online sources. For beginners, first, there is activities performed. Guided tutorials on using browsers, search engines, and basic cybersecurity tips. Assessment performed. There is scenario-based quizzes with simple, practical questions, example multiple choice. For intermediate pass, activity performed. There is interactive videos on identifying credible sources and privacy tools. Assessment performed. Case studies on evaluating websites and privacy settings. The content number 2 is communicating online effectively. Learning outcomes: master basics, email etiquette, and social media skills. The second is understanding how to use online collaboration tools. For beginners, pass activity performed. The step-by-step email writing, video calls, and social media tips. Assessment: submit a mock emails and respond to feedback. Intermediate pass activity performed. For intermediate pass, there's a practice using advanced features of online collaboration tools, example Google Drives, Zooms, and so on. For assessment, there is group collaboration, project, exam, or peer feedback. Those are the examples of assessment to be performed on intermediate pathway. So there is another content, which are creating digital content, learning outcomes, learning basic design and content creation skills. Also use tools like Canva, Google Slides, and word processors to create digital content. For beginners pass, activity performed, introductory tutorials on creating simple digital posters. Also assessment performed, creating and submit digital poster on a given topic. So after beginners pass, there is intermediate pass. Activity performed, there is advanced design principles, creating presentation and editing videos or audios. Assessment performed, there is complete a main digital project with peer or instructor feedback. That is my end of my tutorials. Thank you for listening.